Matthew.
Hello.
Say hi to everybody. Say hi.
Hi.
This is a Matthew. Yay. That's the love of my life. That's my Matthew. He is the bestest boy in the whole world.
I like you.
I like you too. You have a good Christmas?
Yes.
What'd you get for Christmas? What'd you get for Christmas?
Rango.
And?
iPad.
iPad and what else? And who? Show me. Dun, dun, dun. Ah, he's upside down. What's his name?
Cole.
He's Cole. Oh. And you got your book with the lizard man on it, huh? Lizard man book and your PJs and you got lots of stuff for Christmas, huh?
Yes.
But your favorite thing was?
Movie.
The movie and the
iPad.
iPad. Are you like confused because you don't know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
I love you. I'm making a movie we're going to put on YouTube, so... Oh, here's Matthew's room. It's kind of a mess right now. Ah! Oh! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. There's... Oh! And there's... Da-na-na-na. There's our Nicholas on the wall. And Matthew has had a good day. Oh, you've been rubbing your head on the wall, huh? Your hair's all fuzzy. Huh?
No.
Say hi, Nicholas.
Hi, Nicholas.
Hi, Auntie Beth.
Hi, Auntie Beth.
Hi, all my family.
Hi, all my family.
Say we love you.
We love you.
Oh, you're a good boy. Here, I'll blow you a kiss. Oh, it's almost bedtime. We gotta get ready for bed. Uh-oh.